Actors are all different on different stages. It is the roles, it is to have a very deep desire and to keep fueling that desire and have it somewhere really scratch your soul somewhere. Is to have that desire. It's only when you have that desire that universe conspires with you. I'm sure you've all read The Alchemist, and if you haven't, you must. I think there was a book presented to me by designer Suneet Verma a long time back when I did not know how I was going to make it. And I read that book and I realized that I've been having that desire for so long that it had to translate. If you give yourself 5 years, 2 years, 6 years, whatever time frame that you give yourself to be an actor, most likely you will fail. It is when you do not have any, you feel that you cannot do any other thing in your life but act is the only time you will succeed. The way you look, the way you are, will not matter in the end. It is what you can, and it is important to go through and feel those struggles of not being able to do it. Please don't struggle in a Mercedes. It ain't gonna work out. It ain't gonna work out. You've gotta get to there. You've gotta go have that vada pav. You've gotta go have that aare ka doodh and all that. So what it does, it A, fuels your desire, and B, it gives you a life experience which is very utmost importance to be an actor. And then, as in everything in life, there is a very slight difference between luck and divine intervention. So whatever you might want to describe it, that will come. But that will come when you're prepared. That will come when you've been already working at it. You've put enough blood and sweat into it. And then one day when the opportunity hits you in the face, and it will, you've got to be prepared. If you're not prepared, luck is, as a lot of people say, hard preparation meets opportunity. So you've got to be prepared. And if you're struggling in a Mercedes, which I fear you are, I think you should get rid of it. Buy a train ka pass. When you get pushed around and groped and pinched, that's when you will become an actor.
What do you think, who is the best actor? Average actor or overrated actor?
Sorry?
Who is the best actor?
Repeat your question.
Or average actor?
They're both pretty bad.
Ask him in Hindi.
Huh?
You understand what he said?
Yeah, he said who's a bad
Who's the
actor?
best actor? Is the average actor
Who is overrated or actor who is average rated?
or average
Sorry?
rated actor or overrated actor?
Actors are all different on different stages. It is the roles, when the role meets the actor is when the actor is a good actor.
But Randeep, star-driven movies have a larger impact on the audience comparatively to the story-driven movies. Do you believe it?
Yes, if there are stars in story-driven movies, that will have a bigger impact, and that's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, you actually
There's a movie coming Uli, so the trailer has got an awesome response to it.
Yes, I've heard it's got an awesome response. Yes, it's a good movie.
So what is like
Which one is that?
Ungli.
Karan Johar?
Oh.
That's what I think of you. No. I don't want to talk about that movie because I've not been briefed as to what pitch and what are they wanting to say about the movie. And once I've met them, because I do not want to reveal things unnecessarily and spoil their PR plan. I am the last one to do that. So I don't know what the team has decided and where they want to pitch the movie. Once I have talked to them, then I'll be able to answer your questions on that particular subject.
listen, I want to tell you that why do you have this I don't tell a damn attitude and none of your business, okay? And the Uli, I'm not even going to show the Uli now. But why? Is it something that you were born with?
No,
or
it is
something
it
that
is
the
because
industry
it is because I'm fearless in who I am.
So this is something
I am
that
not
you were
ashamed of myself. What I am with my friends is I can be with you people, and if that gets across, I think that is a far more endearing fact than me sitting here and pretending to be somebody else.
Listen, I'm very scared of it. I am scared of it.
You ain't saying nothing yet.
Alright, there we go.
So I'm Nikhil. I'm
Sit down. So
You don't sit down. Sit down, man. I can see you.
I'm a student of the Starless Acting Academy, and I'm a really big fan of you.
Thank you.
And I want to hear the dialogue from you. So the dialogue from Kick. मैं दारू नहीं पीता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे चढ़ती नहीं है. In your way, sir.
देखियो मैं वो कठपुतली नहीं हूँ कि जिसमें आप एक सिक्का फेंको और वो डम 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 शुरू हो जाएगा. I'm sorry, I don't do that.
Unfair to even ask, yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't do that because there's a certain reverence I have about what I do, and I do not make it into a floozy dialogue and give it to a gathering of people who were not there when I was suffering it.
So you got it? It's none of your business. And I don't understand. Alright, any more questions that we can go up with?
Last question. Have you been mistaken for being brash and rude?
All the time. I get mistaken for brash and rude all the time.
Enjoy it.
I enjoy it. I would rather have brash and rude than diplomatic and concealing. Yeah.
So do you actually have, because of this attitude, the rustiness that you have, you usually have a lot of...
Oh, that's only because मैंने भैंस का दूध पिया है, मैं हरियाणा से हूँ.
So you have a lot of female adulation?
Oh, well, you tell me. I don't sit there and go, मेरी तरफ देख रही है क्या, नहीं देख रही है क्या, नहीं.
Scared of this man.
I mean,
But actually, you do enjoy female adulation because the
Who
way
doesn't
you
enjoy
handle
adulation?
Your network, the social networking site that I saw and everything, because I did a research before coming here. I think it's all full. So of course you do enjoy
well,
it.
I'm very grateful. Let's keep it that way.
Now you have to tell me about the polo.
Well,
Something that is very rare. I've not seen a lot of actors, endeavoring or maybe enduring something on this scale.
Well, no, there are many actors like Shah Rukh Khan, Preeti Zinta and all that who have got far more successful teams and a bigger platform in a place called IPL. So I'm not the first
No,
actor
but you
to
said
get
not
it.
in polo.
Yeah,
Not
but
in
it's
polo.
Not in polo. That's it. They are of course in the sports faculty, but not in polo.
Yeah, well, because I am probably one of the very few actors who gets featured on Bombay Times as well as the sports page of Times of India, because I am actually a sportsman. This year I got 7 medals in show jumping and dressage in the National Equestrian Championship, competing with the best of the best, professional best of the best of this country. So, and that is another thing, that it is a sport, and it is a sport. A horse is a very beautiful animal. And also there is polo. I stopped playing polo 4 years ago because I broke my leg and I've got a rod in my leg. So I stopped playing polo because I get too aggressive and it's too much of an adrenalized game. But I felt that, to get this game across, you need somebody from Bollywood to take up the mantle. And since I indulge in that sport myself, there was no better person to do it than me.
So you basically have
Yes.
the sportsman's spirit. And
I want to be the first one and encourage other people to do so. So I've floated this team. It's called Royal Roosters. Don't ask me why Royal Roosters. You should be able to guess why Roosters.
Anyone
So,
wants to guess?
so,
I don't give a damn.
so I've started this team, which has got fairly in polo a very professionally managed thing. Like, we have got a team principal, we've got a CEO, marketing manager, and stuff like that. We've got physios, we've got in-house vet, we've got 25 horses, we've got our own floats and everything. So we are moving around in the circuit with that. We played our first tournament a couple of days ago, and we lost. So yes, we lost, and that's a good beginning because there's only one way up from there.
Yes, absolutely.
So I've done this, and I want to somewhere encourage the Indian Polo Association to form a league so that we can get television into this movie. I want to invite schools to come and watch matches, and I want to garner a younger audience to this game, because it has been kind of windowed into that royal aspect, which it is. I mean, it's an expensive sport.
It's an elite game,
Yes.
Not that everybody knows
Yes,
about
but
the
elite will disappear
Yeah.
if there is no audience and
Audience
spectators.
to it,
So
absolutely.
that is why I am trying to bridge that gap and bring it out to people. And it is actually a game that originated in the tribes of Manipur, not in England, not in Rajasthan. It originated in a tribe in Manipur where it got picked up and became a world sport. India pioneered it, but today Argentina is the best country